Data, data, data. It's everywhere. It's created in large volumes in all businesses, in all industries. But for manufacturers, it's imperative for them to understand and query their data to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and embed a culture of data-driven decision-making. At the Industrial Data Summit, the most senior gathering of manufacturing data professionals in the UK, pain points are shared, learnings are heard, and now and again, some solutions are uncovered.
In terms of the peer sharing, beyond whatever practical ideas go back and forth, and we did at our table see people taking notes as each other spoke and genuinely dropping their pen or dropping their jaw and then writing furiously. Aside from that, I think psychologically it's important.
It's really nice to meet people who have a similar mindset to you and have the same priorities as you, because you can feel quite lonely in businesses sometimes when you're the data person, but I think if you're coming together and kind of sharing the best practices and stuff, I think it's really, really important.
I think it works. Around a table, and people have chosen the tables they want to be at. They come ready to contribute. You get to see different perspective, 3-4 times a day.
A discussion table is a really fabulous mechanism for allowing peers to exchange and share their experiences, and it's a very an open environment in which they can express the challenges that they have and get input from others.
How are you dealing with this in your own business? What have you seen in terms of good and bad? That's absolutely fundamental. I mean, we naturally enjoy stories, human beings, so hearing stories from colleagues and peers can reassure you that what you're doing isn't wrong, you're not in the lonely place, that many of us are on the same journey together.
Industry can only truly solve its problems through collaboration and the sharing of ideas. Summits like this go a long, long way to giving manufacturers more knowledge, more clarity, and more purpose in tackling complicated business dilemmas. If you like the sound of that, then we have 2 more summits coming up in exactly the same format. Our SME Growth Summit is taking place across 2 days in June. This is an event for manufacturing founders, owners, and their management teams to provide them with the ideas and connections and examples that they need to scale up their business. We also have our Manufacturing Digitalization Summit, which explores the needs to enhance productivity, efficiency, and sustainability, and brings together the UK's most senior digital-minded manufacturers. They're both taking place on the 7th to the 8th of June at the NEC in Birmingham as part of Manufacturing and Engineering Week. Register for either or for both events by visiting themanufacturer.com.